Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to guide you to create a drop down list in Excel. So without doing any further delay, let's begin the video. Let's begin. I have created a table here showing the quantity of automobiles sold and the name of a specific automobile with respect to sold amounts. So instead of typing the name of respective automobiles that was sold, you can make the drop down list so that you can just select the name of automobile from the automobiles list. To show you, I have typed the type of automobiles on sheet 1 of Excel, as you can see here. Uh, since I have typed the automobiles in column B, I will select all those cells and then rename the group of cells. To do that, click on the name box and rename it as automobiles or in accordance with your choice. However, remember that the name has to be only one single word. So I'll type here and press enter. And now with those cells selected, you can see the name. Now go back to sheet 2 where you want to create drop down list. Now I'll select the whole cells for which I want to create the list. To create the list, use data validation. So go to data menu and click on data validation. On setting tab, select list. That's what we are going to allow. And for the source, start with the equal sign and then type the name of our list, or you can directly type F3 on your keyboard. So I'll type directly F3 and you can find that the name of list has occurred and it is automobile. So tap on that specific list name and click OK, and now it's entered for us. Then click OK. Finally, you can click on any of those cells and select from the appear drop down list. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing. For further more videos, stay tuned. This is your app test signing off. Thanks for watching.